You want that?
Walk over there. Yeah, walk.
You go walk. Go walk. Yeah? You gonna walk for Uncle? We show Popo and Gungung. Yep, 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 yep. Whoop.
Pass the iPad up there. No, you cannot have mommy's phone. Here. There. iPad. Ah, so sad. You faker, you faker, you faker, you faker.
Ha! You know how? Show Uncle. Yep, press the button. Yep. Slide. Almost there.
Oh, what you all tired for?
Oh, press the button.
No, he like he wants something else. That's why.
Oop.
Hey,
Oop.
what's that? Chopped liver. What you want?
You want the bling bling phone.
Where is it? Where is it? I wonder if he knew to climb up here, yeah? Do you know to climb up here? Problem solved. Problem solved. Come on, let's see you problem solve. How you gonna get it? Oh.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Problem solved. Problem solved.
You got it.
Oh, look his face. Look his face.
You got him. Huh, Pookie? Yeah.
You got mommy's iPhone now.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh shucks. Oh shucks, yeah.
Okay, give it time. You figure it out. Just combinations of fours.
They don't lock up my phone. Here.
Oh, you're so happy now.
I know. Goodness.